Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in home connectivity. Today, we're diving into how to turn on Xfinity Wi-Fi Home Hotspot in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of internet services, Xfinity has made it super simple to boost your home network. Whether you're hosting a family game night or need reliable Wi-Fi for remote work, enabling your hotspot can extend your coverage and keep everyone connected. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Xfinity app installed on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't, head to your app store and download it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your Xfinity username and password. If you're new, you'll need to create an account using your Xfinity details. Now, navigate to the Internet or Wi-Fi section in the app. Look for the Hotspot option. It's usually under Settings or Advanced Features. In 2025, Xfinity has streamlined this with a one-tap enable button, but let's go step by step. Tap on Home Hotspot and you'll see a toggle switch. Simply slide it to the On position. The app might ask for confirmation, so go ahead and approve it. Your hotspot should activate within seconds. Pro tip: check your device's compatibility first. Most modern Xfinity gateways support this feature, but if you're using an older model, you might need to update your firmware through the app. Once it's on, you can customize the hotspot name and password for security. Always a good idea to keep things private. If you run into any issues, like the hotspot not appearing, try restarting your gateway or checking for app updates. Xfinity's customer support is top-notch, so don't hesitate to reach out. There you have it. Turning on your Xfinity Wi-Fi Home Hotspot is quick and easy. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.